Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And today we are doing the best stuffed potato skins, y'all. And this is football season, so these are a quick and easy little handheld appetizer that you can serve while watching the game. Super Bowl is coming up. Perfect snack, you guys. And you can find this recipe along with my other appetizers under my playlist. Make sure you guys check those out. Let's go. So I am starting with some sour cream and mayo, some bacon bits, and then some mozzarella, chives, salt and pepper, and then some cream cheese that I've softened in the microwave. And then I have some potatoes that I have baked in the oven for 45 minutes, and I just put a little oil, poke them, salt, super easy. So I am just going to add my ingredients to the bowl for our filling and mix that up. While I do that, go ahead and use this opportunity to click subscribe if you have not already. And thank y'all so much. We are growing every day. I appreciate you guys so much. We have over 300 family members. Thank y'all. So I'm gonna add a little bit of cheese to the filling. We're also gonna reserve some for the top, and I am going to split the potatoes. So I am actually going to remove the potato filling because I'm just gonna keep the skin part. Don't go too deep. You can also add the potatoes back into the mixture, but I just want to keep it with the creamy filling. Otherwise it'll be like a twice baked potato. And then I'm gonna salt and pepper the shells as well, because you just need it. You don't want to have a bland potato. And then I'm just gonna stuff them with the filling that we made, and you can put whatever you want in here. You can add other types of meats or proteins, whatever you like. Super versatile. Top it with cheese, and then I'm just going to pop them into the oven, and there you go. Super easy, you guys, like I said. And look at this, out of the oven. Look at those golden tops. So delicious, you guys. And again, perfect app for upcoming Super Bowl. Who you got? So delicious, you guys. But hold on, I know what you want. Watch this, you guys. Cheers to the cheese pool. Y'all, look at this. When I tell you it's creamy and cheesy, go on, take that bite. There you go, baby. So good, you guys. Super simple and easy, like I said. Also, hit the notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And remember, new recipes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in my new video. Bye, y'all.